Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Live not working on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram Live not working, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Here there is like this. Then when you find this page, you will click first stop here. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And then you can click also clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.